Hi everyone, I'm Christina Suritonga. I would like to introduce you our application. It's called PlutoPay. I'm as the UI and UX designer for this application.
I will do a demo using this application, which we will start from the very first time using it. This means we will start by creating an account. In this step, we want to make our users feel confidence and trust in our application that we care and protect their data with us. The next step, we will do verification through email. Then we start over again by sign in. We are now on the boarding pages. These pages are dedicated to first-time users using our application. PlutoPay is dedicated to process all your financial transactions. Payment of both in store for cashless payment or online in variety of ways. That was a brief introduction to the main features we have in PlutoPay. We will start by doing a top-up on the primary account in Euro currency. There are several options for replacement from various financing sources, namely using funds from a bank or from your credit card or cash deposit to our store. On this case, I would like to top up by online banking connected to the app, put the amount, bank details, and then security code payment. And that there will be validation for the successful transfer. As you can see in the app, that user can add multiple currencies. I also make transaction in US dollar, so I like to top up my account in dollars. This way I can avoid additional exchange rate. This transaction will be connected to the online banking. Now I already have a sufficient balance. The next scenario, I want to make a QR payment for my online shopping payment. Furthermore, I do scanning or also to copy and paste the payment ID. It will be given a detailed description and payment of the security at the end of validation for successful transactions.
Next scenario, I go from Monday shopping to supermarket and I would prefer to use my cashless payment system by using NFC payment.
Payment feature by activating and holding my smartphone close to the ADC machine, and the machine will process the payment. Our NFC system will be deactivated automatically for safe usage.
The last scenario, I would like to send transfer requests. I have bought a birthday present to one of our friends. That means we sharing the bill.
With the detailed description, receipt attachment, and amount. I can share it to several people at the same time. These messages will be sent via email, SMS, or shared via WhatsApp. So it's not a must, only applicable to internal users PlutoPay only. Then they can reconfirm how they will transfer money either from the bank to PlutoPay or internal users via PlutoPay. Now we are doing discovery for this application starting from the bar. This is personal preference, and then we go to my accounts, and then this is burger menu, and we can look from this one as well. My account, payment, all you can transfer, finance plan, investment, passes, and help. From help, there is many menu that you can contact us. Next, we're going to the bottom bars. There is payment, and then transfer, homes. Next, we go to the transaction that we can see all the transaction based on category. Last month or all last year's, all payment, and others. Now we discover this our merchants that we can click, Railway, Lidl, others.
A glimpse of Pluto application at this time. Hope you enjoy and have a clear picture about it. I cannot wait to hear from you. That's it, and thank you for your attention. See you again at the next opportunity. Goodbye for now.